Hey guys, so today we have this awesome basket filled with some cool Easter basket stuffer ideas.
Yes.
Thank you so much to Grin Studios for sending these free products to us.
Thank you.
So guys, why don't we take a closer look at everything? What do you want to check out first? Oh, look how cute. That is an amazing Squishee plushie. Now, of course, that one is the yellow bee.
We'll see it squish.
How cool.
Squish is like an actual bee when you hit him against the window.
Oh my gosh. Oh, next, that is a cute little chick. It is one of the POOPCHI's Friends seasonal. Look how cute. Got the little surprise in there. I love that.
Or you could use it as a finger puppet.
No, Michael. No, no, no!
Another one of the amazing Squishee Plushies, which is the rainbow unicorn. So cute.
I like its tail. No,
You want to deal with me? Get him.
I love the colors. It's so pretty.
It's a rainbow.
Yeah, really, really pretty.
Next one, Michael.
Hedgehog.
Oh, another one of the amazing Squishee Plushies. What a cute hedgehog. Really nice. Oh,
And you can squish it.
cool.
Oh no.
There we have the blue chick from
I
the
didn't think the entire
POOPCHI's Friends seasonal
world
line.
heard that one.
Oh, these POOPCHIs are so cute.
Alright. We have a bunny.
Oh, we have another POOPCHI.
You already know
There
what's
it
gonna
is.
happen to you.
Oh my gosh, how cute. I love that they have the different colors. Oh, next we have the Amazing Slime Dazzle collection.
In the meantime, she opens that. I'm gonna open the rainbow one.
Oh, look at that one.
We both know you wanted to open that
Slime.
one, didn't you?
Oh.
No, I actually like this one better. Has glitter.
Oh. They both look really cool.
Ooh, God. Oh, they're like in their own little case.
Oh, that's good. You can keep them separate then if you want to. That's nice.
Probably will.
Yes, I've ruined the rainbow.
No. Ooh, look at that one. Very pretty. Michael, that's more of a thicker dough texture. Oh, look at that.
What does this look like to you? A cucumber.
A cucumber.
With the little yellow stuff in there.
It could be a pickle.
Is it very light?
Yes. It's very gone.
Rainbow fluff. Love that.
As you can see by, I can hold it up and move it with my finger, really.
Ooh, Amazing Slime XL. Whoa, look at that one.
It probably sticks to me.
Wow.
Oh, it's cold.
Is it? Oh, that looks so cool.
Yeah, it's getting all over the place. That's what's going on.
That is really amazing.
You gonna knock me out with it or what?
Whoa! No, be nice.
It's my only skill.
What is this? Oh, okay.
Look, it's going back into the container by itself. Look.
Don't touch.
Let it go.
Don't touch
Let
Michael.
it go. Wait, no. Oh my gosh. That is so cool.
These have like little dividers.
Yeah.
And I burst
nice.
through them. And you can also cut it.
Michael likes to cut it, yes. Uh-oh.
I didn't react.
I'm just gonna see if I can pull this back up and just see what happens.
God, how did I
Very
get back?
cool.
Cool beans.
Mm-hmm.
God, how'd she make it rainbow?
Wow, I love that. Gosh, I don't know which slime is my favorite. The rainbow is so pretty, and then the XL one is just like amazing how you can stretch it. And the glitter one is really pretty too. The Dazzle collection. Oh my gosh, look.
Hey, look, I made a hand. And then what we do with the hand,
If we cut off its
this is
fingers,
not what you want to do with a knife.
You don't want to cut off your fingers.
Got a little bit of the thumb there, too. No, it's kind of her monstrosities. Hey,
My arms
Lindsay.
are too short to put this up. Okay.
So guys, what are your favorites from all of these products?
This one.
This.
Cool.
Oh,
Glitter.
I like this one.
So cute.
Me too.
So guys, we will put more information on these products in the description below. Thank you again to Grin Studios for sending us these free products.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, God.
What's next, guys? Bye.
Bye.